vocabulary is heart of English language. Without learning vocabulary, we will not be able to learn English. We will not be able to speak in English. So hello there, welcome back to my new another practicing video. This is me, Shajib Ahmed, on taking in front of you. Today I would love to share something regarding vocabulary. Vocabulary is a part of English language, but sometimes we know vocabularies well, but we are not able to speak in English. Some of my students also say that, brother, we know vocabulary, but why we are not able to speak? This is my portion. This is the portion of beginners. So hello there. I am going to share you the reason. How can we develop our vocabularies? How can we make sentences by using this kind of vocabulary? At my first time when I was beginner, I also memorized so many vocabularies, but I didn't make any kind of sentences by using this kind of vocabulary in my real life. Actually, we have to learn every single day some vocabularies, and we have to make sentences by this kind of vocabularies. If we make sentences, then our memorizing skill, our pronunciation skill will be developed. Like study fields. These are common word in English. But we should not just memorize study fields. We should make sentences by using this word. Like, I am walking beside the paddy field. There is a paddy field behind my home. This kind of sentences you have to memorize. This kind of sentences you have to make by writing. I have also a notebook. So my dear learners, try to say something in English. Try to talk in English by using your daily vocabulary, by daily practicing vocabulary with mixed sentences. So this is really helpful for everyone to learn English as well as learn vocabulary. So thank you very much for watching this. Keep learning, keep watching. Allah Hafiz.